violence has killed more than 178 people. Critics worry the recent arrests could signal a return to the more repressive policies of the past.
The latest trend is that the government is going back to the iron fist methods, and they are still detaining people without proper investigation. There are protracted pre-trial detentions happening.
Catherine Soy has more now from Nairobi.
One of those people the report is talking about is an activist who was pulled out of bed on July the 8th at midnight by security forces while he slept beside his pregnant wife. We also know that Jawar Mohammed, another very popular political activist and opposition leader, is also in custody. He's appeared in court several times, and he's in custody alongside thousands of other protesters, political activists, and journalists as well. And this report is primarily focused on the incidents that happened early last month following the death of this very popular musician whose music also had political messages. He was shot in Addis Ababa, and then thousands of people took to the streets to protest. They wanted him to be buried in the capital, Addis. The government said no because of security reasons, and that he should be buried in his home village in the Oromia region. And people were very upset with that. These protests went out of hand. More than 100 people were killed. Buildings and businesses were destroyed in Addis and the Oromia region as well. And we've also had in the last few weeks from other human rights organizations like Amnesty International, who, like the Ethiopia Human Rights Commission, officials of Amnesty International are also saying they're very worried about this trend they're seeing in Ethiopia. Now it seems that the government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed is taking the country back to those days of repression, with security forces using very high-handed tactics to deal with dissent, and also especially coming after, Prime Minister Abiy promised in 2018 that he's going to lead a democratic country and he's going to respect the human rights and freedoms of the people of Ethiopia.
Fighters linked to ISIL have taken control of a port town in northern Mozambique. It's the third time this year that